Hello everyone, happy Friday is when this video is going up. So this week we have something different for new releases. We have a ton of new floral washi coming to the shop, and these are actually our new summer watercolor florals. So we just did a $2 Tuesday featuring about half of those florals. So those are still available in our shop. They are now full price, but we figured we would release the matching washis that correspond with the florals. So we released half of the floral deco and journaling kits this week, and we'll be releasing the next half for next week's $2 Tuesday. So I will be swatching our washis today. I believe we'll be offering it as a washi bundle as well as individually, and the bundle will be at a slight discount. So if you like a bunch of these washis, definitely recommend getting the bundle. So let's just go ahead and get into it. Okay, I'm actually doing the voiceover for this part since I was watching some Netflix show when I was doing the swatches, since it did take a while for that. So I decided to just mute this video and then record a voiceover on top. So as you can see in the bottom corner, I'm sharing with you the matching journaling kit, floral deco, floral topper, and the floral frames, if they are available in our shop. If there is no video in the corner, that means it is not released yet, and it's coming this upcoming Tuesday for $2 Tuesday. So you just saw Bluebell getting swatched. Now we are swatching Citrus, which I absolutely love these washis. They are definitely a lot brighter and more vibrant compared to our spring floral washis, which were definitely more pastel and lighter colored. So I absolutely love our summer collection. It's just super bright and colorful and very summery. So that is Citrus. It's in gold foil. Next, we have Coral. You can see it in the corner. We have the journaling kit. I absolutely love this washi. I love how we have really bright colored washis, and then there's also like some neutral ones as well, and this is definitely one of them. I absolutely love the deco that matches with this washi and the floral toppers. Just, it's a really cute vibe with all of the plants in it. So it's in gold foil. Here's a little close-up. Next, moving on, we have Countryside. And this is actually featuring art from one of our weekly kits called Countryside. We don't have a matching journaling kit for this one. I have no idea why, but I guess it just got forgotten about. But we do have the matching floral deco, and I absolutely love the butterflies in this washi. I think it's so cute. Okay, next up, I have a list of all of the washis, since it is a little bit hard to remember their names, but this one is called Fall into Summer, and this one is so gorgeous. I think it's a really pretty transition from summer to fall. I think that's why Lucy named it Fall into Summer, and it's so gorgeous. It has a lot more warmer tones. So this one is in rose gold foiling. Next up, we have Santorini. This one is a really bright colored one. A lot of blues in this one. You can see in the journaling kit, there are lots of blues and pinks, and it's just really pretty. And here is the floral deco, the floral date toppers, and then we also have the matching frames. And then here is a close-up of the Santorini washi. It's in gold foil. Next up, we have Spring into Summer, and just like the name suggests, it's a really cute transition washi from spring to summer. So it's still a lighter color, but I really love the bright pop of yellow in the flowers. I think it's so pretty. And you already know pink is my favorite color, so I automatically love this one. Here's a little close-up. It's also in gold foil. Okay, now getting into some of the brighter colored washis. This one is called Summer Floral, and I absolutely love this one and the upcoming washi. I absolutely love the bright orange color. I think that's perfect for summer, and the florals are also really gorgeous in this one. So here's a little up close view at it, and this one is in rose gold foil. So this next one is called Sunny Day, and it is in this really gorgeous bright yellow background. Here's the matching journaling kit, which I think is so pretty. Probably one of my favorite journaling kits out of the whole collection. And I just love the little pop of blue and the flowers. So gorgeous. One of my favorites. Okay, this one is called Tropics, and this one is just obvious, just screams summer to me because of the palm leaves. And I'm really excited because we have an upcoming $2 Tuesday collection featuring lots of tropical foil. And we also are coming out with a reformat of last year's kit, Tropical Paradise. I absolutely love that kit. So we are definitely bringing it back. And I think that washi that you just saw would pair so well with it. So then this last washi is called Warm Weather, and it's just a really gorgeous pink coral color. And I just love the little summer wildflowers that this washi features. And yeah, that is all 11 washis.